y'all need to believe that Yahusha is the Messiah of Yisrael and that he rose from the dead. That's what Peter is telling them, so they could be saved. Verse 13, now when they saw the boldness of Peter and John and perceived that they were unlearned and ignorant men, they marveled, and they took knowledge of them that they had been with Jesus. So they was listening to what Peter was saying, and they know he ain't been to no college and no university. He don't have a bachelor's and master's of divinity and theological seminary background degree. You don't have any of that. Because he's not caught up in these 501c3 corporations, the religious institution, about the money. That's what they are. They're corporations, and they're all about the money. And so Judaism was all about the money. Anybody can be a Pharisee, a Sadducee. All you got to do is pay your money, go to one of them universities and be learned. Because they calling them Peter and John. They unlearned. They're ignorant men. They haven't been to our university. But they got some knowledge and understanding. Yeah, so they've been with Jesus. So they acknowledge that Peter and John has been with Jesus, the Messiah, Yahushua, the Messiah of Yisrael. By the way that they're talking. Verse 14.